This is more of the same. What are we doing here? Well, remember that this is written in the form y equals mx plus b, where b is the y-intercept, where it crosses the y-axis, and m, the number in front of the x, is the slope. That's your rise over run. So I'm going to graph the first one. My y-intercept, the constant, all by itself is positive 3. I plot a point there. Now, how many x's do I have there? Just one. What's the number in front of it? 1. So my slope then is equal to 1, but if we think in terms of a fraction like rise over run, then it would be 1 over 1. Okay? That would be 1 over 1. So if it's 1 over 1, then what? Well, because it's a positive slope, that means that it's going to go uphill. So from here, I'm going to go up 1 over 1. From that point, I can go up 1 over 1. And so I draw my line through those points. And you can go in the opposite direction. Whoops. Got to do a little bit better than Mr. Adams is doing. It's really difficult to draw on these tablets sometimes. So that's that first equation. Let's do the second equation. What's my y-intercept? -2. So I'm going to plot the point here at -2, and then my slope is -4. That means that it is -4 over 1. Because it is negative, that means we go downhill. Okay? So from there, I'm going to go down 4 over 1. Here's the problem, though. It's off the graph, isn't it? So I'm going to end up like right over here. But I could go in the opposite direction. I can go up 1, 2, 3, 4, and over 1. And what you'll find is that it crosses about right there. Where do they intersect at? Well, it looks like they intersect at -1, 2. How could I verify that? Yeah. Huh? Yeah, we're doing it right now. It's on this paper. Where do they intersect at? Well, we can graph it, right? So if I plug this in the graphing calculator, I want everybody to do this on Desmos. We're going to say x plus 3, right? And then minus 4x minus 2. So this one becomes minus 4x minus 2. Look at that. Crosses right where I said it would.